Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. We are working in the Basically Amazing printable scrapbook album templates, and we are going to do the another page. So this is the back side of the first fin. So we've got 4 fins here, but we've got all this goodness going on. So we're going to do probably the simplest thing we've done so far in this album on this page. So that's what we're going to do in this video. If you want to see, I have done a step-by-step video tutorial up to this point. If you'd like to start at the beginning, hit that link that's right up here or down in the description box. It is the Darcelle, that's the paper collection we're using by Prima. It's the Darcelle Basically Amazing scrapbook album. So that is the one we're working on currently. And here is the mock-up, the prototype, whatever you want to call it. We're not following this exactly, but we're pretty close. We are moving through pretty quickly on this one, and that is because, you know, I've got most of it planned out already. So if you want to see a flip through, I've got a whole video of all 4 sizes of flip throughs. This is album C, so I will link that video up here and down below in the description box if you want to see a flip through of my prototype. But again, we're not going to be following this exactly, but I have added and tweaked some things as we go. These are templates. They are available in my Etsy shop. We are using the text background and the grungy wood background. You do not have to have both. I'm just using 2 different background designs in my album. You can substitute for whatever you would like. But in that playlist of the step-by-step making of this album, there is a video where I show you exactly what I'm going to be using in this album. So that's also useful to know, some useful information. And one last thing, there is an Amazon list for this specific album. So if you want to see everything that I am using as best as I possibly can, there is a link to that special list down below in the description box as well. Okay, so again, like I said, we are going to, this is probably the simplest page we're ever going to do in this album. So I'm going to keep it simple because it's already pretty thick right here. So I'm just going to keep this as super simple as I possibly can. So we're not going to print anything out today. We are going to be using the mat for page 9C. So this is the main base page is 9C, so that's what we're working on, and the mat for that is on page 56C. So this is my workbook. This does not come like this. All of my templates are printable, so you get a guidebook that you print out, and then you can laminate your pages and cut out your mats and all of that jazz. I have a whole playlist just on workbooks, how I make my workbooks, and the workbooks at the end of that playlist are how I made this workbook. I didn't make this workbook on camera, but I made it exactly the same way I made the last one that I have in that playlist. I will link that playlist up here and down below as well if you want to see how I make these workbooks. But anyway, so I just need the traceable template, the mat, and I'm also going to need a piece of the scrapbook paper. These are pieces that I used already so far. I'm not going to use those, but I am going to flip through real quick and see. Most of it's going to be covered, so I might just use something plain like this. Well, wouldn't that be nice if it was right on top? Maybe I'll do that. I'll just use that piece. It's kind of super plain, and that's kind of what I want, because we're going to put a 5x7 photo on this page, so we don't have to have a whole lot of detail. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay this on here, you guys, and I'm going to trace it out. I'm going to get my paper trimmer. I'm going to cut it out. Let me go ahead and trim this top part off. You guys are going to have to let me know what you think about this new set of templates. I enjoy them so very much. I think they're so much fun to use, and you can do so many things with them. I just think they're fun. I mean, we're just started. We're just getting started. You know, I made the D-size album. I made myself a Christmas album. I'm going to put my scraps in my crafty tray. And I tried to keep it as simple as possible. Boy, that was hard to do, let me just tell you. But I made that one step by step, you know, in video too as well. And if I have room, I'll link that playlist up there and down below if you want to check out my D-sized album, and it's a Christmas album. Okay, so this, I'm going to stick this right here, like this. So I'm going to ink this up really quick. And I'm using Distress Oxide in Walnut Stain. No big deal. Right, I'm going to do that. I forgot, I lost my train of thought. And I am going to go ahead and I'm going to attach it down. I'm just using, this is a Scotch ATG Advanced Tape Glider, I think is what it's called. You could use glue. You could use whatever adhesive floats your boat. I'm going to actually put a little extra on there because this page is kind of it's almost bumpy right here. It's not laying perfectly flat. So I want to just make sure there's extra adhesive. So I'm going to just go ahead and mat this page. Super simple, super easy. Right? Right? So I got that. Then I'm going to take a scrap. This is just a scrap that I cut down to 5x7. Look it. Look it. Look it. I had the idea of using our stamps. These are the Stampers Anonymous word text. I just used the 5 and the 7 and the small X to do like a 5x7. What do you guys think of that? We could do that for the 4x6. I mean, it's not as simple as using the Place Photo Here stamp. Let's go ahead and do that anyway. Let's go ahead and stamp that on there. Let's just put it right here. It's not as simple as that. But you know, it could still be kind of cute. I don't know. You guys let me know. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. I probably won't see it in time before I record another video, but you never know. So I'm just using a scrap piece of paper, cardstock, that I cut down to 5x7. Because remember, this size album was designed to be matted, or I'm not sorry, not matted, designed for 5x7 portraits. So I'm going to end up using my photo corners. Right, these are the photo corners we did in the video, a couple videos back. And these are from the Hobby Lobby ones. And this way you can remove this, or if you're giving it as a gift, it can be removed and they can put their 5x7 photo there. Okay. Okay, so we've got the corners on, right, and now I'm just going to lay this on here. I'm going to kind of center it a little bit, and press, right? Don't forget we keep these. We're going to keep these little strips so we can use them kind of like as tape. So I've got them in a little jar. So then the last thing I thought we would do is I thought we could just put a word from the embellishments pack that we have. Remember, I've got them all separated out. I thought I did. And I thought the word blessings up there might be a really sweet, simple, easy thing to do. Plus, that's what I did in my prototype. I didn't do this in my prototype, but I did do this, and I think it's cute. I think it's just really, really sweet. Simple, easy, quick. I like it. So what do you guys think? I tried to get one whole fin done in a week. So it took me 4 videos, I think, to get one whole fin completed. What if I try to keep that pace up? So we'll do the next fin in a week, and the next fin in a week, and the next fin in a week. So it'll take us 4 weeks, well, a little over 4 weeks, to get this completely done, step by step, page by page. And I think I'm actually... Okay, so let's go ahead and adhere this down. So if you like that idea of doing a fin a week in this album until we're finished, and then we'll have to do, of course, the inside covers and the front and back covers. So yeah, I kind of like that idea. Do you guys like that? I kind of feel like we should have done like a brad. We can still do that. Let me show you. Let's see. Before I tape that down, let me grab some rusted brads. I have a whole thing of them here. Wouldn't that be cute if we actually did it like it was, like if it was coming through? Or being held up by the brad. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to try to poke a hole here. Yeah, that's cute. Let's do that. Just because. Just because we can. Alright, I'm going to have to add, now I'm going to have to add some glue, some liquid glue to that. Pretty sure. I don't want it getting stuck on anything. Yeah, that's so cute. I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac. This is Fabri-Tac by Beacon. Let's just go ahead and add a little bit, just for extra. And then we can just put this on here. Oh, I love the cute addition of that brad. Yep. I love that a lot. That is so cute. Cause see, let's see, in the prototype page, I do not know what just fell. That's all I had right there. Which is okay. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. That's perfectly fine. But now I've got my, added my 5x7 photo mat, or my photo, because this represents a photo. And then the little brad there, super cute. I like it. I like it. Well, that was super fast, wasn't it? Super fast, super easy. You could go through and do page after page after page after page, just like that. Just like that, if you wanted to. But we're not going to. We're gonna go hog wild. We're gonna go all out on these. Well, we're gonna try as best we can. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Hit that bell icon and then turn those notifications on so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.